SBA Publications.
Hello, my dear students. I hope that you all are good. Dear kids, in your last video, we have learned up to letter T. And in today's class, we will learn the letter U, letter V, W, X, Y, and your letter Z. That will be the last letter of your A to Z. So get ready with me to learn your all 6 letters. Okay, we are going to start from your letter U. U says umbrella. U says umbrella. U says umbrella. Oh, how colorful is it? U says umbrella. Stay us dry. We use the umbrella when it is rain outside now. So, umbrella used to keep us dry. U says umbrella, stay us dry. Say the sound So, the sound of U will be The sound of U, umbrella. U says umbrella. U says uniform. U says uniform. U says on. U says on. That Aladdin used to rub the on. U says on. U says uniform. U says on. U says umbrella. And now this is our activity time. Look and trace the letter with your favorite crayons. And I would like to use the crayons green. U says umbrella. Clear? U says umbrella. Clear? U says umbrella. U says umbrella. U says utensils in which we used to eat the food. U says utensils. U says utensils. Now we are going to do the writing practice of U. U says umbrella. U says uniform. U says on. U says utensils. And here we have done the writing practice of letter U. U says unicorn. Everyone like to see the unicorn? Huh? Now you will make your unicorn beautiful by your own by doing the beautiful coloring. Color the unicorn as per color code. Color code is given here. You have to color the unicorn in the same way. Okay? So this is your unicorn. And now we are moving towards your next letter, that is V. Letter V. We are going to start your letter V. Look and say aloud. V says when, when. V says when, when. In which you used to go to your school. V for when has 4 wheels. Say the sound v. V says van. V sound v. V sound v. V says van. V says volcano. V says volcano. Next, V says vulture. V says vulture. V says vulture. Vulture is a bird. V says vulture. V says van. V says volcano. V says vulture. And here we have V says violin. That used to give us beautiful sound. V says violin. Now we will do the crayon practice. with letter V. And I will use the blue color, slanting line and slanting line. Slanting line and slanting line. And here we have completed our alphabet V. V says van, V says vulture, V says violin, V says volcano. Next, we will do the writing practice of letter V. V says volcano, V says vulture, V says van, V says violin. And in this manner, we have done our writing practice also. You will also do the same. Color the volcano as per the color code. In the capital V, you will fill red color, and in small v, you will fill brown color. Okay, and in this way, your volcano will be completed. Now, revise it with me. V says van, V says volcano, V says vulture, V says violin. Okay, and the sound of the V is V. Now we are moving towards your next letter, that is W. W says watch. W says watch. W says watch. And here we have W for watch. Tell the time as I have. Say the sound W, W, W. The sound of W will be W. The sound of W will be W. So, W says watch. W says well. W says wheel. W, W, watch. W, W, well. W, W, wheel. On which our car and vans are moved. So, and here we have W says watermelon. I love to eat watermelon. Do you? Yes, everyone like to eat watermelon. So let's start with me to do the crayon practice on W. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line and slanting line. And in this manner we have completed our capital W. Here we have the small w in the same way. W says watermelon. W says watermelon. Now we will do the practice with pencil. W says watermelon. W says watch. W says well. W says wheel. Now we have completed our letter W in writing practice also. And you have to color the well to make it beautiful. That you will do by yourself. Okay? Shall we move on the next letter, that is X. X. Use your finger to make an X. X. Yes. So this is Christmas tree. X is Christmas tree. X is Christmas tree. X for Christmas tree full with toys. Say the sound kiss, kiss, kiss. The sound of X will be kiss. The sound of X will be kiss. So keep it in your mind. X sound kiss. X is X-ray. X is xylophone. X is xylophone. X is xylophone. X is X-ray. X is Christmas tree. Next we have look and trace the letter with your favorite crayons. That is your activity part. X is X-ray fish. X is X-ray fish. And I will use the brown color to complete this. X is Christmas tree. X is xylophone. X is X-ray. X is X-ray fish. Okay. Now we will complete our pencil practice and we will start from here. X is xylophone. Okay. Now we have done the writing practice also. We have to complete the given picture with the beautiful color. That is your part. My dear student, you have to fill here different color to make it a beautiful xylophone. Okay? X is xylophone. X is xylophone. So, this is your X. Now we are moving towards your next letter, that is letter Y. Letter Y. Y says yoga. Y says yoga. Y for yoga, keep me calm. Say the sound y, y, y. So the sound of Y is y. Y sound y. Y sound y. So Y says yoga. Y says yacht. Y says yawn. Y says yawn. Y says yoga. Y says yacht. Y says yawn. Look and trace the letter with your favorite crayon. Here you have to trace the letter with your favorite crayon. That is here 1, then slanting line, then here standing line. In this manner we have complete our capital Y. Next we have small y. Okay? And we have completed our capital and small y in this manner. Y says yolk. Y says yolk. Y says yolk. Next, this is our writing part. We have to choose our pencil and we have to do the writing practice. Y says yoga. Y says yacht. Y says yawn. Y says yaw. And Y sound y. Y sound y. Next we have the beautiful yacht for you. In that you have to color and make it again very beautiful. Okay. So that was your letter Y. Now we are moving towards your next letter, that is the last letter. Yes, this is the last letter of your A to Z. So come with me to complete it. Letter Z. Letter Z. And Z says zebra. Z says zebra. Z says zebra. Z for zebra, black and white. Say the sound Z, Z, Z. Say the sound Z, Z, Z. So, the sound of letter Z will be Z, Z. Okay, speak with me. This is a new sound for you people. We will not call it Z. We will call it Z. Z says zebra. Z says zebra. And this is our capital Z and this is the small z. Z says zebra. Z says zero. Z says zigzag. Okay. So that was your letter Z. Now let's come with me to do the practice of letter Z. Z says zip. Z says zip. Now use any crayons and do the crayon practice of letter Z like this. Slanting line and again sleeping line. Sleeping line, slanting line and again sleeping line. Clear? Your letter Z is here with us. Now we will do the pencil practice. To use your pencil, copy the Z. Z says zip. Z says zebra. Z says zigzag. Z says zero. Okay. Now trace the zigzag lines, but you have to revise the vocabulary part of your alphabet Z. Like this. Z says zebra. Z says zero. Z says zigzag. Z says zip. Z says zebra. Z says zero. Z says zigzag. Z says zip. Z says zebra. Z says zero. Z says zigzag. Okay? In this manner, you have to complete the pattern by repeating your all the vocabulary part. Now we have Take out the sticker provided in the kit and paste them on each letter as shown. Now this is your part, as you all have your sticker kit. Search all the alphabet from them and paste it here. Okay? But keep on revising all the alphabet nicely. Next we have, in the form, circle the correct letter. A or B. Means this is, A says aeroplane, or B? This is A. So we will circle the A. In the same way you have to do. You have to just watch the picture, recognize it well, and then you have to circle the correct letter as I have done for you people. Okay? In the same way on this one also, help the little astronaut to reach her friend's house. Now this is your part. You have to start from here and copy the way from where you must be gone. Okay, next is cross out the odd one. From here you have to cross the odd one that is not matched in the group. These both are the flower and this is the ship. Ship is odd one. So we will just cross on ship. Okay, in the same way you will also do rest of the part of the given question. Next we have fill in the missing letter. Here you have to fill the missing letter, and this activity is only possible when you people will learn A to Z very well. I am going to start from few letters. Rest of the part you will complete as letter B, C, D and E. F is written, and rest of the part you will complete by yourself. Clear? Next, alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Clap your hands and touch your knee. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Clap your hand and touch your knee. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Jump up high and touch the tree. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Jump up high and touch the tree. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Look down, look up, look at me. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Look down, look up, look at me. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Close your eyes and go to bed, because your A to Z has been completed here. Okay, so my dear students, I hope that you have learned all the letter very well with me. So what is your part now? You have to keep on revising your all the alphabet from letter A to Z, and you have to do the writing practice as well. And after that you will sing the song to make yourself fresh. Keep on learning. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.